Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday and it is October 10th, and this is my analysis of the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So in the Euro dollar, I'm still a big believer that this is an uptrend and that the uptrend is not complete. I still think it's going to make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably eventually go up and take out these highs. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where I do think that this first push up right here is most likely a 1, especially looking at the dollar index. I think this is an A, B, and most likely we're in a wave C. We are at the 38%. That definitely could be an area to end a wave 2 of C and potentially start a brand new uptrend for a big wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are getting pretty close to breaking structure, and if that does break structure, depending on how it breaks, whether it rejects it, which would actually be a short for me, or whether it breaks above and holds above. If it breaks above and holds above, I definitely will be a buyer, but as of now, I am definitely still primarily looking for shorts. I still think there's a good chance that it could reject structure, make a move to the downside, and maybe even make another attempt on these lows. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here, and the fact that we're closing above the 78% so much does tell me that it probably is going to make a break to the upside. But like I said, whether that break to the upside is a rejection of structure like that, or whether it breaks and holds above structure, we're going to have to wait and see. If it does go up and reject structure, then I would actually take that as a short for potentially the continuation of the downtrend. So we're going to have to see how it breaks structure when it finally does break. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this nice and big impulsive move up here is probably not the end of anything. I would say that this move down is probably a correction, and we probably are going to get at least one more push to the upside. So I would expect to see another higher low, higher low, higher low, just like we have been getting for the last day and a half or so. And then if it rejects structure, makes an impulsive move down and breaks structure to the downside, I would definitely take that as a short for potentially the continuation of the uptrend. If it breaks structure and holds above structure, then that's what's going to turn me into a buyer, probably for the foreseeable future. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.